Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and I'm back with another inspirational video. Before we get into it, I just want to remind you that there are risks involved in trading Forex as well as any type of investment. Doesn't matter what you're investing in, even if you're investing in relationships, there are risks involved. So keep that in mind. Also remember, past past results do not predict future profits. All right. So just want to put that out there. All right, let's switch this over. All right, guys. So right now, you guys know that we are in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. A lot of individuals have been either laid off, or your hours have been cut, or you have been temporarily fired. You are looking for a way to sustain your house. You are looking for a way to make up for the money that you are losing. Okay. Um, Many of us have thought that um, our jobs were essential, but it's been proven to us that um, they aren't. They're not considered essential. So I'm coming to you today to show you guys how it is you can sustain your house in the midst of a pandemic. All right. And even outside of the pandemic, I've been preaching this for years. I've been trying to teach this for years, to teach individuals how to fish, to teach individuals how to set up their generations for wealth, how to set up generational wealth, how to make money without counting on someone else. Because it's the reality of it is that when you're on someone else's job, all right, when you're clocking in for someone else, okay, you are um, you're beholden to them. They can wake up one day and say, you know what, we don't need you, I don't like you, what have you. You guys know the politics that go on with work. Now, I'm not saying that forex is the end all be all, okay? However, it is a clear path to get you to producing generational wealth. Okay, right now I'm sitting at $113 profit so far, 108. You know, you're going to see it go up and down. You guys have seen my other videos, um, and so here, let me pull up my template for you guys. All right, this is the trading system that I have created. All right, this is the trading system that I use. Okay, this is the system that I use for individuals who join the community and you're just learning, or you don't want to, think so much about it. All right. Now, I don't bash indicators. However, at the same time, when you join the community, I teach you how to trade like this. Okay. I teach you how to trade a blank chart without having to count on the trading template. Okay. Without having to count on the indicators. Okay. So, um, this is how you can sustain your house in the midst of a pandemic. All right. A lot of individuals. Right now, it's 7:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. There are individuals. If your job has not been, if you're able to work right now, you're either at work or you're getting ready to work, and you're getting ready to make $100 for the whole day, having to work anywhere between 8 to 12 hours, depending on your your salary, depending on your um, hourly wage. We're sitting here. I'm showing you how to do this without even leaving your house. How to make the daily salary within minutes. My broker time, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say it is. Okay, yeah, it's 7 hours ahead. Okay, so I took this trade at 6:52. It's now 7:19. So you're talking what, 28 minutes? I'm at $96. I'm at $96 right here, guys. You see it. I'm at $96 in 28 minutes. I'm expecting for this to go up. If you look at the indicator, you guys know I like to trade off of the 4 hour. The 4 hour is giving me an exhaustion. It gave me an exhaustion square. Now, if I was trading this 4 hours, there are a couple of more entry rules that would need to be met if I'm trading off of the template, which I took this trade off off the template. Okay, this is a good scalping method. Trading the workflow template, it's a good scalping method. I go into detail in the community. Okay, so but this is lining up with the 4 hour. So this is going to be a major run. And also, I won't show everything. I can't show everything because there are other individuals who are spending their hard-earned money for me to teach them this. So I can't just show everything. But there are signals on this blank chart, not including the volume indicator. I use this as confluence, but there are signals on this blank chart that are telling me that it looks like this price is going to continue to go up. Okay, so again, I'm not just going based off of the indicator. Again, the indicator, this is like almost like a think free type trading system. Okay, and you guys pretty much know. Hopefully you know, but I'll share share with you guys what it is that we're looking for. We're looking for an exhaust square, directional arrow, and a color changing candle. Okay, and I'm also waiting for the green price EMA to be above, or I was waiting on the green price EMA to be above the red signal line and the yellow market sentiment line. All right, I have some other confluences that I go over in the group, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Um, if you're looking for a proven and profitable way of sustaining your house in the midst of a pandemic, please consider Forex. Feel free to head over to the teachmetofishfx.com. You guys see the web address there on your screen. Head over to the teachmetofishfx.com. Sign up on any one of the affordable um, sign up on any one of the affordable membership levels. All right, receive your training. Um, when you sign up for the Teaching the Fish community, tentatively every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go over and we have a weekly forecast throughout the week. All right. I used to call them trade alerts, but we do what is called pair watches. Okay. So while you're training, while you're learning how to develop your eye, how to develop your skill from trading Forex, I send out pair watches. Basically, what pair watches are is when I go through the market and I find trade setups that are getting ready to um, trade setups or pairs that are setting up for a good profitable trade. So you're gonna have stuff like this where you get pullbacks. Okay, this is why I don't use stop losses. All right, this is me personally. I don't use stop losses. I'm not telling you not to use a stop loss. If you're a beginner trader, then yes, I'm gonna encourage you to. But if you're following The entry rules and exit rules, you won't have to use a stop loss. Okay. But this is what the market does. It fluctuates. It goes up and down. So I'm again, I'm expecting this market to go up. Right now, it's just a little pullback. And what I'm going to do is take profit at $100 if I'm able to on this video. But again, if you are, let's see, again, we took this at 652. Okay, it's only 724. It has not been an hour yet, and we're at $74. So we can take profit now and be at $74 an hour, be at $77 an hour. How many of you that are listening to me or watching are making that amount per hour? Forex can help you to sustain your household, not only in the midst of a pandemic, okay, but even in regular, quote unquote, regular living conditions, okay? You guys can go through my channel, you can go through my videos, you see the proof, all right? I'm not one of those guys who promote this whole, you know, lifestyle, all right? What I promote is sustaining your house, creating multiple streams of income, and setting your family up for generational wealth. All right, this is a skill that I have taught and am teaching my 7 and 9 year old. Okay, they can come to a chart. I'm not teaching them this. I'm teaching them this. They can come to a chart and do what Daddy told them to do. And as long as they're patient and they wait, like Daddy said, they can trade forex. You can teach your children to do that as well. You can give your children a skill that will last them their lifetime. Forex is going to be around. This is a legitimate industry. Okay? This is the foreign exchange of the world's currency. The reason why I prefer to do this over stock is because it's going to take a whole lot more events to take place for a country to go out of business than a company will. We can have stock in Facebook, and we know how prominent Facebook is. We know how important Facebook is in today's lifetime by today's standard. But Facebook can go bankrupt today, tomorrow. And those individuals who have stock in it, what happens to their stock? What happens to them? Now, you guys know me to be a Christian, so I believe that, one day there's going to be a one world currency. So for me, I believe that Forex will be around until that happens. Even then, you're going to have different countries, but anyway, I don't want to get to talk about religious beliefs on this channel. You have to go to my personal channel for that. But this is going to be around. Okay, this is going to be around. All right, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I don't push that. I don't promote that. It takes patience. It takes endurance. Okay, you're gonna lose. Okay, I was just on a call with one of my brothers. Don't expect just to think that you're gonna win every single trade. If you able to win every single trade, then we'll have a lot more billionaires walking around. We'll have a lot more millionaires walking around. Okay, but learning this skill, learning what it is you need to look for, will allow you again to sustain your household and possibly, ultimately, one day replace your 9 to 5 and allow you to make investments into your own businesses, into your own dreams, your other endeavors. All right. So, for again, Forex can sustain your house. So I'm gonna let this run. Um, I'm gonna disconnect from you guys, but I'm going to let this run. Start recording this now. I'm going to let this run, and then we'll do an update a little later. But again, head over to the teachbeneficialeffects.com trading community. Sign up for one of the affordable memberships. Learn the skill and help sustain your house today. All right, guys. As always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.